Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our stage. So today we're making some Nigerian snacks. If you grew up in Nigeria, you know that this is called buns. If it is rocky, it's called rock buns. Sometimes it's rocky. But so let me show you the ingredients we'll be needing. We'll be needing baking powder. It's very important. Yeah, this is butter. I'm using 2 full spoons of butter. I'll melt it later, so I set that aside. I'll be using a evaporated milk. This is exactly the one that I am using. About 250 ml is okay for this. I'm using 1 egg and I have 2 spoons of white sugar, and I'm using some of the brown sugar as well, and I have about 4 cups of all-purpose flour in there. So let's just start mixing. So we start by cracking in 1 egg. Whenever you are making buns, be careful, don't use too much egg, because too much egg and much butter will make it to crack so much and soak oil, so you don't want that. So to the pan I have added 1 cracked egg. I've melted the butter and poured it in. Add 2 spoons of sugar. I'll go ahead and add 1 or 2 of brown sugar. Depending how much sugar you like in your buns, you can always add more or little. After that, I'll go ahead and pour the evaporated milk. If you don't have it, skip it and pour just white milk, whole milk, or dry milk. They are all good. So we are going to mix all this together just a little, and then go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking powder. Yes, that is just perfect. Mix it together. You add your salt, and one interesting ingredient, you can add it or skip it. If you like nutmeg, go ahead and add it. I'm just going to add 1/4 spoon of nutmeg there. I'll mix the dry ingredients together and then pour it into the wet one and start turning them until they are totally combined. This snacks is very easy to prepare. You will definitely love it if you follow this step, and it's something that the kids always like. At home you will do it. And a reminder, this is not puff puff. There's a difference between puff puff and buns or donut. This one you use baking powder to prepare it, but the puff puff, which is very easy and simple, you will use yeast to prepare that. So I'm just going to add another 200 ml of water to that, because I'm not making my own thick dough. I'm just making it light, fluffy dough. So stir it. If you need water, just add little by little. Don't over water it so that they won't run. So this is how this batter will be looking, and this is perfect for the buns or the buns you want to prepare. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch Oma's Taste. I truly appreciate your support. Cover it and set it aside. Heat up some oil. Allow it to heat. It have to be hot before you stop dropping in your buns, because if it is not hot, they will go ahead and soak some oil. So after that, go ahead and start scooping in. Please scoop them in little by little, because if you scoop them in big, when these buns is fried, they will be so big that you cannot even see space to turn them or flip it to the other side. Just a little batter like this and it is good. Alright, stir this to turn around so that they will have beautiful color. Depending what color, more brown or light brown, you can fry it. And I don't want mine to be too brown. This is exactly the color that I want it to be. This is just a perfect one. I'll just scoop them out. I've already put some tissue paper in the bowl and throw them in there. This is something that you want to have at home, because kids love them and friends as well do love them. Whenever I prepare them, I usually share them, something to share with friends. So will you prepare yours? If you do, please let me know how it came out. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Also give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that, because it helps so well in promoting the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.